Trade? Imagine this today, you ask. Who will win the Ballon d'Or? And thousands of dollars are being wagered on that very question. But this time, it's not about bookies or betting sites. This involves real money on-chain, where anyone can create a market. And if your prediction is correct, may money will literally rain into your wallet. Welcome to rain.trade, where you don't just trade. You can create your own markets around anything sports. Yes, politics, movies, crypto prices, whatever you like. In today's video, I will show you what is rain.trade, and how to get started, and how to make your first profit. First of all, you need to visit rain.trade. Then, you have to click on Login. You will see several options. To create an account easily, I chose the MetaMask wallet. Next, you need to select your specific wallet and confirm. Then, click on Sign Again and confirm. Well done! We have successfully created an account on the rain.trade. Now we need to click on our profile. Next, click on Deposit. We will see two options. We can deposit directly from this wallet. Alternatively, we can select the currency and network, generate a deposit address, and make the deposit to that address. I will deposit directly from this wallet. I am depositing the full amount by clicking Max. Now, I have confirmed the deposit request. Deposit complete. Now, let's move to the home page. Here, we can see several categories. For example, crypto, politics, finance, sports, and many others. In the sports category, I see the market for who will be awarded the 2026 Ballon d'Or. The contenders include Lionel Messi, Lamine Yamal, Harry Kane, and Kylian Mbappe. I still believe Lionel Messi has a chance of winning the Ballon d'Or, and so I will choose him and place a yes prediction. I will buy yes shares with all my dollars. We can sell all the shares at the market price now, if we want. Now, click on the profile and click Create Market. From here, we can create a prediction topic. To do this, enter the prediction topic and click Create. A cover image will then be generated automatically. Click Continue. Next, set the visibility to public and click Continue. Next, by providing minimum liquidity and prediction options here, and we will be able to bring users to our own prediction market. Finally, we will be able to withdraw our dollars very easily. To do this, simply click on Withdraw. Enter your wallet address and the amount, and click Withdraw again. The withdrawal will be successful immediately. Well done!